Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to go through removing and reinstalling a new dishwasher. So my dishwasher has just died. As you can see, I'm hand washing everything, and it's really getting annoying with 3 kids. So I really want to replace this dishwasher as soon as possible. So I'm going to talk you through step by step how to do that. It is not as hard as you think, and you definitely can do this yourself. So the first thing that I want to do is measure my dishwasher across the front to make sure that I am purchasing one that is the same size. We want it to fit in the same space. The alternative thing that I recommend is you purchase the same dishwasher. So if you can, go online, check it out and see if you can get the same one. That way all the specs are the same and it's going to fit in the same spot and use the same pipes, etc. If you can't do that, just make sure that you measure the distance across the front of the space and check the specs on the dishwasher you're purchasing and make sure that it is going to fit in. There's nothing worse than having a new appliance show up and then you can't actually get it in where you want it to go. So the next thing you want to do is get into the cupboard under the sink and unplug. There should be a plug there, so turn it off, pull that plug out. You can also see there is a pipe which leads to the outlet, so the wastewater. So we want to disconnect this. We also want to disconnect the pipe that is putting the fresh water into the dishwasher. So you need to make sure you turn this tap off before unplugging any of this. Be prepared that a little bit of water might come out, so you might want to have a bucket handy underneath this one and a towel and move some things out of the way. So that's what we're going to do now. Oh, finally. One done. That was the inlet. Now I've got to look at the outlet. Why have I got so much stuff? Probably time to clean up under here. Okay. Alright, so if you have a clamp on the hose, that is what holds it securely in place so it doesn't leak. You need to get a screwdriver in here to loosen it and then that should come off. Now don't be alarmed when you open your new dishwasher and it's wet inside. I was not aware of this, but it makes sense. They test all their products before they send them out, or they should. If it's still wet inside, it's indicating that it's come pretty quickly straight from the warehouse where it was tested and it hasn't been sitting in a store anywhere long enough to dry out. So it is not used, it's still brand new, it's just been tested out. Now it's time to put in the new dishwasher. We're just going to reverse everything that we did to remove the old one. So firstly, we're going to bring the new pipes through. Before we plug it into power, we're going to plug all those pipes in first. So putting the outlet pipe on, putting the inlet pipe on, and then we can plug in the power and turn that on as well.